Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, I am Rahul and I love teaching English through daily conversations.
And I'm Sneha, your co-host. We're so happy to see our community growing. Today, we are at the railway station to learn some very useful English sentences.
Yes, from asking train timings to booking tickets, this lesson will help you in real life situations. Let's get started.
At the inquiry counter.
Excuse me, could you tell me the timing of the Intercity Express?
It is scheduled for 10:30 a.m., but it is delayed by 30 minutes.
At the ticket counter.
I would like to book 2 sleeper class tickets to Chennai.
Sure, please fill out this form and show your ID proof.
Here is the form. Are the seats confirmed?
Yes, your seats are confirmed. Here are your tickets.
Luggage and platform.
These bags are very heavy. Let's hire a porter.
Good idea. We need to go to platform number 5.
Where's the foot-over bridge?
It's right over there, near the waiting room.
Look, the train is arriving at the station.
Make sure you have all your belongings.
We hope these sentences help you on your next journey.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for part 16.
Happy journey and bye-bye.
Happy journey and bye-bye.